Okay, let's start our skirt around layout tutorial. First, we're drawing the square. The size is we assign 80 by 80, and the circle is also, the diameter is 80. Then we divide the points in the circle by using the compass by its radius point. After completed the division of the circle, we assign the letters and numbers. So in the square, we assign letters. At this point, letter A, point letter B, point letter C, this point letter D, and this, the median, is letter A and letter F. Then the circle, we assign every point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then it is circle back to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, back to 1. So the assignment of letters and numbers is completed. We're going to get the assigned line. This line we call A1, and this line A1 to 2 is A2, and this line A to 3 is A3, and A to 4 is A4. At B point, the same story. B to 4 is B4, and B to 5 is B5, and B to 6 is B6, and B to 7 is B7. Then we get the distance. This distance from A to 4, and we compass it to 1, are equal. Then from B2, from point 2 to point 3, so this distance we compass to our triangulation line as A2 equals A3. Since it is symmetrical, the same as B, this point, and to B5 and B6, so equals B5 equals B6. Also this line A4 and A1 are equal, so we compass this is A1 equals to A4 equals to B4 equals to B7. Then we triangulate this to the height. Since our height is, we are assuming 60, so we take dimension 60. So this height, assuming is 60 mm. So this point to the, at this point is our triangulation line. This triangulation line assigned to E2, E3, E4, E2, E3, B5, and B6. This line, triangulation line, assigned to E1 equals to E4 equals to B4 and B7. So this distance ET we transfer to our pattern layout. This is ET and this number letter is A and B. So we go back to our working drawing. Since we are starting at point triangulation line E4 and B4, so since B4 and E4 are equal, so we get this triangulation line, this, and we compass it at point A, then transfer to B, and the point of intersection, point 4. Since we have already one point, point 4, and we go back to our working drawing, from 4 going to 3 and 4 going to 5, so we get this distance. We compass from point 4 and also the right side. Since we are going to 3, we are going to take the dimension of triangulation line E3. So this is E3. So E3 and B5 are equal. So from point A, we compass. From point B, we also compass because they're equal. So the point of intersection from E to 3 is point 3. From B is point 5. So the same procedure, going to 3 to 2, then 5 to 6. So this distance, 3 to 2, then 5 to 6, we compass it. Since our triangulation are equal, B5, B2, E2, and B6 are equal, so the same triangulation line, this from A, from B, and the point of intersection 5 to 6, line 5 to 6, the intersections of triangulation line B6 is 0.6. 3 to 2, line 3 to 2, then the triangulation line E2, the point of intersection is 2. So the same story, same procedure, 2 to 1 from our working drawing, 2 to 1, and 6 to 7. So We use the triangulation line 1, triangulation line 1, triangulation line E1, E1 from point E, from point B so the point of intersection B is 7, A is 0.1. So we take out this distance EF and BE are equal. So we compass from E, B at point B. Then we also get the height from 1. We compass and the point of intersection EF we call line EF and the intersection, the point of intersection between the triangulation line E1 we mark it if the same as from 7, the intersection of line B at B7, the point intersection is A. And now all points needed to our square round is completed, and we are going to connect all the points from E1, from E to F to 1, then 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, then 3 to 4, then 4 to 5, then 5 to 6, then 6 to 7, then 7 to A, then B, A to B. So our pattern layout is completed. So we need another pattern 1. We pattern it to complete a whole square to round, and this is our finished product of our layout. So our square to round tutorial is finished. Then by the next tutorial we are going to discuss is the transition elbow, which is the transition elbow is very common use in machine connection. So ito ang ating square to round tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe because we have more mini layout to discuss and more. And now bye bye.